Have you ever sensed that there's a deeper current, an unseen river flowing just beneath your everyday reality, a hidden dimension of boundless potential, waiting to be consciously accessed, not merely observed? What if this unseen, powerful force holds the very key to unlocking immense, joyful abundance in your life? Imagine if you could consciously tap into this boundless reservoir, transforming every limitation into an infinite, effortless flow. You carry within you a powerful, yet often unexplored capacity, a sacred gate to profound, limitless expansion, a financial floodgate, perhaps, that simply requires your focused intention, your awakened awareness, to swing open. What if you're standing on the very precipice of a discovery that fundamentally redefines your entire experience of wealth and well-being? In this sacred moment, we will journey together, step by conscious step, to profoundly uncover it. Find a comfortable position now, allowing your entire body to settle deeply, completely into its chosen space. In just a moment, I will invite you to gently close your eyes, to willingly turn your attention fully inward. But first, take a slow, deep, expansive breath, feeling the life-giving air fill your lungs completely. Then gently release all resistance. Let this breath be your anchor, grounding you firmly, serenely into the present, into this exact, perfect moment. Now, softly close your eyes, allowing your eyelids to gracefully drift down, shielding your precious gaze from the outer world. Feel the subtle yet profound shift as your awareness willingly begins to recede from all external distractions, revealing more. Sink deeper now, deeper still, into the boundless sanctuary of your inner landscape, where all possibilities truly reside. Focus solely on your breath, observing its gentle, rhythmic dance, the steady, comforting rise and fall of your chest. Each exquisite inhale draws in profound calm and vital energy. Each soft exhale gently releases any lingering tension or doubt you might hold. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool and refreshing, then warm and comforting as it leaves your body. Let your ears become exquisitely sensitive now, tuned to the delicate tapestry of sounds around you, both near and far. Notice them without judgment, simply allowing them to pass effortlessly through your awareness like wisps of clouds in the sky. Then, gently shift your focus to the vast, sacred silence that exists between the sounds. A deep, resonant, profound stillness. Become profoundly aware of your physical body, the gentle, reassuring pressure where it meets the surface beneath you. Feel your hands, your feet, the subtle, vibrant hum of life force energy tingling within your fingertips and toes. Sense the very fabric of your skin, a porous, living boundary gracefully connecting you to the entire world. Now, allow your imagination to paint a truly vivid, breathtaking image within your mind's inner eye. Visualize a vast, shimmering, crystalline reservoir filled with pure, luminous, life-giving abundance. At its majestic edge stands a magnificent, ancient floodgate, robust, ornate, and undeniably powerful, awaiting your touch. This gate profoundly represents your personal financial flow, currently held back by old unconscious limits and outworn beliefs. See yourself approaching this gate now, feeling an undeniable sense of deep knowing, sovereign power, and sacred purpose. Reach out your hand and feel the cool, strong metal, sensing its immense yet dormant potential. With each conscious, intentional breath, you are charging this very moment with your unwavering intention to open it, to unleash its power. Feel the energetic, unbreakable connection between your deepest core being and this monumental awaiting gate. It is not separate from you. It is an intrinsic, vital extension of your own infinite, boundless potential. Sense the building anticipation, the profound neuroplastic shift occurring deep within your very neural pathways, reshaping your reality. Now, with a surge of empowered, sovereign energy, visualize yourself turning the ancient, intricate mechanism. Hear the ancient gears slowly begin to turn, a deep, resonant rumble echoing through time, space, and your consciousness. Watch now as the mighty gate begins its majestic ascent, slowly, steadily, triumphantly revealing the vibrant, shimmering, life-giving waters. A torrent of shimmering, golden light, pure, unadulterated, divine abundance begins to flow effortlessly. It rushes forward, a gentle yet immensely powerful, irresistible stream, carrying with it all that you desire and far beyond. Feel this current washing over you, through you, cleansing any scarcity mindset, dissolving all limiting beliefs from your very core. Allow yourself to be completely enveloped in this radiant flow, absorbing its limitless, joyous, magnetic energy. This is your natural state of being, profoundly interconnected, perpetually abundant, truly limitless in every aspect. Imagine the very air around you now, imbued with the fresh, crisp, invigorating scent of prosperity, thriving growth, and vibrant life. A scent of new, exciting possibilities, profound inner peace, unshakable confidence, and boundless joy. Breathe it in deeply, letting it revitalize, awaken, and align every single cell of your being with this abundance. You are now fully immersed in this magnificent river of financial well-being, an eternal, ceaseless, ever-expanding stream. Feel the pure joy, the profound calm, the unwavering peace blossoming and expanding within your heart center. This expanded awareness is your true inherent power, your undeniable connection to all good, all supply, all love. Every cell in your body is now vibrating with this new, abundant reality, this triumphantly open, flowing floodgate. Know that this feeling, this unlocked potential, this powerful state is always, always instantly accessible to you. Carry this profound knowing, this radiant energy, effortlessly and gracefully into your waking moments and every aspect of your daily life. As you slowly begin your gentle return now, bring this deep, embodied consciousness of abundance vividly with you. Feel your body deeply grounded, your mind exquisitely clear, your spirit magnificently uplifted and light. The floodgate remains open, continuously flowing, because you have consciously, powerfully willed it into being. Gently bring your awareness back to your natural, rhythmic breath, to the tangible, comforting sensation of your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the vibrant, returning energy coursing fully through your extremities. Take a deep, invigorating, gratitude-filled breath, filling yourself with renewed vitality and peace. And when you are completely ready, with a gentle, knowing smile of inner triumph, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back, carrying this profound expansion and boundless potential as your new reality. If this content resonates with you and helps lift your energy, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.